students. In the previous class we were discussing about problems based on inverse. Today we shall discuss some more problems based on inverse. Let us look into it. First one. Yes. If A is equal to 1 minus 2 3, 0 minus 1 4, minus 2 2, 1, then find A transpose whole inverse. First of all, we should do the transpose, we should take the transpose of this matrix, then you have to find the inverse of the matrix. If A is equal to 1 minus 2 3, 0 minus 1 4, minus 2 2 1, then A transpose is 1 0 minus 2, minus 2 minus 1 2, 3 4 1. This is what is A transpose. Now you have to find the inverse of it. First find determinant of A transpose. How to find determinant? Plus minus plus 1 into closest column closest row, minus 1 minus 8, minus 0 into closest column closest row, minus 2 minus 6, plus of minus 2 into close this column close this row, minus 8 plus 3, minus 8 plus 3. So that is nothing but minus 9, this is 0, plus minus 2 into 3 minus 8 is minus 5, this is minus 9 plus 10, 10 minus 9 is 1. So determinant of A transpose is 1. Next you have to find the cofactorized matrix of A transpose. Cofactorized matrix of A transpose. How to find the cofactorized matrix? Put plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. For the first element, cofactor of 1, close this column, close this row, minus 1 minus 8, which is minus 9. Next, close this column, close this row, minus 2 minus 6, which is minus 8. For this element, close this column, close this row, minus 8 plus 3, minus 5. Then for this element, close this column, close this row, 0 minus of minus 8 plus 8. Close this column, close this row, 1 plus 6, 7. Next, close this column, close this row, 4 minus 0, which is 4. Next, close this column, close this row, 0 minus 2, 0 minus of plus 2, which is minus 2. So here you have minus 2. 0 minus 2, right. Then next this element, close this column, close this row, 2 minus 4, minus 2. So here you have minus 2. For 1, close this column, close this row, minus 1 minus 0. So here you have minus 1. This is equal to minus 9 8 minus 5, minus 8 7 minus 4, minus 2 2 minus 1. This is the cofactorized matrix of A transpose. Adjoint of A transpose is equal to transpose of a cofactorized matrix, that is minus 9 minus 8 minus 2, 8 7 2, minus 5 minus 4 minus 1. This is adjoint of A transpose. Now A transpose inverse is equal to adjoint of A transpose by determinant of A transpose, that is 1 by 1 into minus 9 minus 8 minus 2, 8 7 2, minus 5 minus 4 minus 1, which is minus 9 minus 8 minus 2, 8 7 2, minus 5 minus 4 minus 1. That's about inverse of the transpose. We shall discuss the next problem. Second one, if AB is equal to I or BA is equal to I, then prove that A is invertible and B is equal to A transpose. This is what you have to show. Consider AB is equal to I. Determinant of AB is equal to determinant of I. Determinant of A into determinant of B is, determinant of I is 1. This implies determinant of A is not 0. A inverse exists. Similarly, if you take BA is equal to I, B into A is equal to determinant of I, det B into det A is equal to 1. This implies determinant of A is not 0. A inverse exists. So in both cases A inverse exists because determinant of A is not 0. Here determinant of I, that is unit matrix 1 0 0 1 is 1. If product of two determinants is 1, then either of them must not be 0. So determinant of A is not 0, so A inverse exists. Then AB is equal to I. Consider A inverse of AB is equal to A inverse of I. A inverse of A into B is equal to A inverse of I is A inverse. A inverse of A is IB is equal to A inverse. So implies B is equal to A inverse. Similarly, for BA is equal to I, BA into A inverse is equal to I into A inverse. B into A inverse is equal to A inverse. BI is equal to A inverse. B is equal to A inverse. So that is what we have to show. Note down this problem. We shall discuss the next problem. Third one, if A is equal to 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 0 and B is equal to half of B plus C, C minus A, B minus A, C minus B, A plus C, A minus B, B minus C, A minus C, A plus B. Then AB A inverse is a, you have to show that AB A inverse is a diagonal matrix. So let us find A inverse first, then we shall do AB A inverse, or let us find AB first. Consider AB, that is equal to 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 into half of B plus C, C minus A, B minus A, C minus B, A plus C, A minus B, B minus C, A minus C, A plus B. Now this is nothing but half into, to multiply rows with columns. How to multiply? First row first column, first row second column, first row third column, second row first column, second row second column, second row third column, third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. That is how we have to multiply. Now let us see. We are multiplying first row with first column. 0 into B plus C plus C minus B plus B minus C. 0 into B plus C is 0, so you get plus 0. 1 into C minus B plus 1 into B minus C. Next, 0 into C minus A, that is 0. 1 into A plus C plus A minus C. Next, this row into this column, that is 0 into B minus A is 0. 1 into A minus B plus 1 into A plus B, that is A plus B. Next, we shall multiply second row with first column. 1 into B plus C is B plus C, this will become 0. The next one is B minus C. Next, second row second column. 1 into C minus A is C minus A, second element becomes 0. Then you have A minus C. Similarly, second row with third column. 1 into B minus A is B minus A plus 0 plus A plus B. Next, third row first column. 1 into B plus C is B plus C plus C minus B. Third element will become 0. C minus A plus A plus C. Third element will become 0. B minus A plus A minus B. The third element will become 0. A minus B. Let us write this properly. Right. Now you have half into plus B minus B cancel, plus C minus C cancel. Here you have 0. Plus C minus C cancel, you have 2A. Plus B minus B cancel, you have 2A. Next, C cancel, you have 2B. A cancel, C gets cancel, you have 0. Plus A minus A gets cancel, you have 2B. Plus B minus B gets cancel, you have 2C. Plus A minus A gets cancel, you have 2C. Here you have plus B minus B gets cancelled, plus A minus A gets cancelled, you have 0 here. Take 2 inside. If you take 2 inside, you have 0 A, B 0 B, C 0. This is what you have. A into B is 0 A, B 0 B, C 0. Next, let us find A inverse. Remember this matrix. So AB we got it to be 0 A, B 0 B, C 0. Next we shall find A inverse. Next AB A inverse. What is matrix A? A is equal to 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Let us find determinant of A. What is determinant of A? Put plus minus plus. 0 into 0 minus 1 minus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0. That is 0 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, let us check. 0 into 0 minus 1 minus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 1 plus 1, that is giving you 2. So determinant of A is 2. Next, let us find cofactorized matrix of A. Cofactorized matrix of A. For that, you have to write like this: plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Next, close this column, close this row. 0 minus 1, which is minus 1. Close this column, close this row. 0 minus 1, minus 1. Next, close this column, close this row. 1 minus 0 is 1. Next, close this column, close this row. 0 minus 1, this is minus 1. Close this column, close this row. 0 minus 1, it's minus 1. Close this column, close this row. 0 minus 1, this minus 1. Next, close this column, close this row. 1 minus 0, 1. Close this column, close this row. 0 minus 1, it's minus 1. Close this column, close this row. 0 minus 1, it's minus 1. So you have minus 1 plus 1 1, minus 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 1, 1 1 minus 1. This is what you have. This is cofactorized matrix of A. Now, what is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is minus 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 1, 1 1 minus 1. This is adjoint of A. What is A inverse? A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. That is 1 by 2 into minus 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 1, 1 1 minus 1. Now you have to do AB A inverse. You have to find AB A inverse. AB A inverse is equal to 0 A A, B 0 B, C C 0 to 1 by 2 into minus 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 1, 1 1 minus 1. Take this 1 by 2 aside. 1 by 2 into 0 A A, B 0 B, C C 0 into minus 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 1, 1 1 minus 1. Shall multiply these two matrices. This is half into, let us multiply this matrix. 0 into minus 1 is 0, A into A 1, A into A 1. So you get A plus A. Then 0 into 1 0, then you have minus A plus A. 0 into 1 0, plus A and minus A, you have plus A and minus A. Similarly, B into minus 1, minus B 0 plus B, same, B plus B, B minus B. Next, this third row, first column, minus C plus C 0, C minus C 0, C plus C plus 0. So what do you have here? 1 by 2 into 2A 0 0, 0 2B 0, 0 0 2C. Take this 2 inside, you get A 0 0, 0B 0, 0 0 C, which is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. So at the end, when we are taking 2 inside, what is that you are getting? You are getting a diagonal matrix. A matrix in which the principal diagonal elements are not zeros, remaining elements are zeros, is called a diagonal matrix. So at the end, what we got is a diagonal matrix. That's all for today's class, children. So we'll continue in the next class.